In this video, I will share with you an underused feature in Gmail. You'll wish you started using it years ago. Let's get started. So here I am in Gmail, and let's say I'm going to compose an important message. So I click compose, I put in an email address to send the message to, and I put in my subject. I'll type in my message, and I'm ready now to send this email. Except for one thing, maybe I don't want it to actually be sent out until the week before this special event. It's nice that I'm able to do the preparation for this email now, but I don't want it to be sent too early. So in the past, to schedule a future send of an email message, I used a tool called Boomerang. But now you don't even have to do that. You can click here next to send on this drop-down arrow and choose schedule send. You have 3 options to choose from, or you can click pick date and time. I could schedule it for Friday at 4:52 p.m. Click schedule send, and that message is now scheduled to be sent out Friday 4:52 p.m. Now I can go on with my work, and if I ever decide to change the specifics of that email, I can go here to where it says scheduled here at the left. Click on it, and a list of all scheduled email messages will appear. I can click on any messages to open them up and cancel the send. Now, when it cancels the send, it takes me back into editing mode. So I can make some changes, some edits to this message. After making those changes, then I could schedule a new send. So imagine having maybe a slow day at work. You've got a few minutes, and you know that next week or next month you'll be sending out some important messages. Why not write those now when you have some time and schedule them? And then if anything changes between now and when you need to send the message, you can just go here to the left, click on scheduled, and make those adjustments. But get the messages written when you have the time to do so. I love this feature in Gmail, and I've noticed most people don't even know it exists. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you did, please like, follow, and subscribe. And when you do, click the bell so you'll be notified when I post another video. If you'd like to support my channel, the very best way to do that is to become a channel member. But you could also click the thanks button below the video. You could support me through my Patreon account or by buying channel merch, and you'll see more information about those options in the description below the video. Speaking of Patreon, I want to say thank you to my fantastic Super Techie channel supporters. Thank you so much for all you do to support the channel.